Good morning, students of class 3. Today I am going to take the second part of the third lesson, Matilda, the reader of book. In the first part, I explained the first 3-4 paragraphs. In that, we learned that Matilda, when she was 1.5 years old, she began to speak like the grown ups. And when she was 4 years old, she wanting books. Whatever she got at home, like magazines, newspapers, and all, she read. When she began to ask books, they had only one book in their home, that was An Easy Cooking, that she read from beginning to end many times, and all the recipes she had by hearted. After that, she thought of reading something more interesting. So she went to the public library and in search of books. Till here we had completed. So now let us go to the next part. She asked the librarian, where are children's books? Now let us go to the next paragraph. They are over there on those lower shelves, Mrs. Phelps told her. So who was in charge of that library? Mrs. Phelps. When Matilda asked her, where are children's books? Then she said, children's books are kept on those lower shelves. Why these children's books are kept on lower shelves? Because children are very small. Isn't it? They are not adult, very small. So, in order to reach their hands, children's books are always kept on the lower shelf of the libraries. From then on, every afternoon, Matilda would toddle down to the library. Toddle down means what? Walk in a relaxed way. Okay. So that day, Mrs. Phelps, she showed her children's book. That day onward, she became a regular visit to that library. She would sit quietly by herself in a cozy corner reading one book after another. She was not at all a noisy child. She was a polite child. She used to go to the library every afternoon and she would sit in a cozy corner, in a comfortable corner. Then she will read one book after the other one. When she had read every single children's books in the place, she started wandering around in search of something else. Within few days, she finished all the children's books kept on those shelves. After completing those books, she wanted again more and more books. Therefore, she wandered in the library searching other books. Can I help you, Matilda? Asked Mrs. Phelps. When Matilda was searching for something else, Mrs. Phelps, she understood that this child is very much interested in reading books. So she went to her and asked her, Matilda, can I help you? I am wondering what to read next, Matilda said. When she asked what did Matilda said, actually I am searching for what to read next because all the children's book I completed reading. Now I want something more. I have finished all the children's book. Then she said, already I have finished all the children's books. Mrs. Phelps looked down at Matilda from her great height and Matilda looked right back up at her. That means when Matilda said, I have completed all children's books, Mrs. Phelps is very tall and Matilda is only 4 years old girl, no? Mrs. Phelps looked at her height from top to down and Matilda looked at Mrs. Phelps. Exactly how old are you, Matilda? She asked. When the small child told Mrs. Phelps that she has completed all books kept here, she was astonished. She was surprised. That's why she looked at her. That's why she looked at in a surprising way. Then she asked Matilda, "How old are you?" 4 years and 3 months. How old Matilda was at that time? Matilda was at that time 4 years and 3 months. Just imagine these at this age, children they only begin to write ABCD, isn't it? But Matilda was an extraordinary girl. Everything she grasped within no minute. That much she was interested and curious to know. She was very talented child. That's why even the librarian was also astonished. She was surprised. See, for 4 years and 3 months old girl, she has completed all children's book. Mrs. Phelps was very surprised indeed. When Matilda said that she is only 4 years and 3 months, Mrs. Phelps was surprised. "What sort of book would you like to read next?" she asked. She then asked, "Now what kind of book you would like to read? Already you have completed children's book. Now what kind of book are you searching for reading?" She asked, "What kind of book you want to read?" Matilda said, I would like a really good one that grown-ups read, a famous one." Then what in reply Matilda said? Matilda said, "I want a book, really a good book like a grown-ups read." Means like her parents or grown-up people, what kind of book they read? Not a children's comics book or story book. Grown-ups, they read different kinds of books. Maybe somebody's biography or autobiography, something like that, isn't it? So Matilda also wanted to read a book like grown-ups read. A famous one she wanted. Mrs. Phelps looked along the shelves. "Try this," she said at last. "It is very famous and very good." Then she went to the shelves and she searched for a book. Finally, she got a book and she gave to Matilda and said, "This is really a good one, a famous one. This book is actually grown-up people they read, but looking at your interest, I feel this book is good for you. It is a famous book. You can read it." Great Expectations, Matilda read, by Charles Dickens. "I would love to try it." When Mrs. Phelps gave that book was written by Charles Dickens. The name of the book was Great Expectations. So, what was the name of that book? The name of the book was Great Expectations, written by Charles Dickens. When she read that, she said, "I would really love to read this book." Within a week, Matilda had finished all the 411 pages of Great Expectations. Really, she is an extraordinary girl. Even the grown-ups, they take more than 1 week to complete 411 pages. This 4 years and 3 months old girl, within a week, means within 1 week, she completed a thick book. That book contains 411 pages. That is written by Charles Dickens. She completed Great Expectation within 1 week. It was really a surprise for Mrs. Phelps also. So, my dear students, today only this much I took that. What? Just imagine, for a 4 years and 3 months old girl, a very little child, she completed a book written by Charles Dickens, Great Expectations. She completed reading that book within 1 week. Within 7 or 8 days, she completed that one whole book. Just imagine, as it was said in the beginning, Matilda is an extraordinary girl, isn't it? Really, she is an extraordinary girl. So, my dear students, today I am going to wind up here. So, my dear students, 2 pages I have completed. Please read the pages and go through the word meaning. Take care, stay at home. Thank you and have a good day.